Sure enough, they all took a few steps back, and now they're cutting directly over Bottom Creek. Once we gave them a little bit of time to reassess. So let's see what they're doing. So it's right on Bottom Creek. Yeah, there we go. Cutting right over the creek. Finn, stay here. Finn! Finn! Get back here. Get back here. Finn! Finn! Get back here. Come on. Come on. There he is. Cutting directly on Bottom Creek, a Tier 3 stream. From what I understand, this is actually an EPA violation. Right? EPA violation? I think so. There's an EPA violation to cut directly within 50 feet or 50 yards? 50 feet of a creek. Not to mention a Tier 3 creek like Bottom Creek is. So my battery's going to go dead probably, but just sort of getting this out there. So if it goes dead, that's why. Oh, he's hand felling it. Are you filming it or live streaming it? Okay. It'd be nice if we can film all of them cutting these like nice big pine trees that are basically holding the creek bed together right here, as you can see. So again, EPA violation of cutting directly on a Tier 3 stream. We were here earlier and we filmed some of this. They saw us and they all went away. And then we all went back to another location. And then they came back, sure enough. Because these boys got work to do. Yeah, these boys got work to do. Finn, Finn, stay here, stay here. Good boy. Finn doesn't like it either. They are felling them away from the creek, which is a good thing. There goes one. It's a bright Sunday morning. Now they're taking down some of these bigger pines that hold the whole bank here together. Oh, they look like they might have, no, didn't see us. Oh, sorry about getting your papers graded there, Liz. It's all right. We got this. Like I say, the main thing is just documenting the fact that they're breaking regulations. They're violating state and federal regulations right now. These guys are in such a rush to get this goddamn pipeline in the ground. They'll do anything. See, I think that their overseers can't see us from where we're sitting right here, too. I can't believe they're actually doing this right on the creek. This is completely insane. I'd like to know how they're going to drop that one last pine right there. There's no way they're going to drop it that doesn't directly go into the creek. So they have to drop it away, which they are doing, away from the creek. But that one pine isn't going to go in the other direction. It's going to go directly into the creek. So I'm going to pause this right now, and maybe I'll come back if you try it.